Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer BYD has launched the sales of its new energy vehicles in Hungary. This marks a notable milestone for the company as it extends its customer base to the first country in the Central and Eastern European region.
我们进入匈牙利市场，我们也是非常欣喜。虽然这个市场目前来看，整个的市场容量并没有那么大，但是我们看到市场的前景在那儿，并且当地的消费者也非常期望我们能把我们最新的技术、最新的产品，带到本地。然后同时呢，我们现在跟本地的最优秀的经销商去合作，我们希望能给消费者带来更好的体验，然后更先进的产品，以及最优的质的服务。
All of them are way above expectations. When I see the prices, I say it is very difficult to make any car better than that at that price, with that range, with that rigidity, solidity, that usability.
Chico said the influx of high-quality Chinese cars into the European market leads to some European businesses facing increased competition, but in the long run, such change can benefit the European economy. Since entering the European passenger car market in 2022, BYD has introduced its vehicles to 18 European countries and aims to establish a network of more dealers within 2 years to cater to the growing demand in Hungary.